Focus is good, positioning is good, everything is wonderful. It's been a while. Gosh, I don't know what I'm gonna do. But I guess I figured it out by the time if I put the title. But anyways, let's clean up this. It's oh man, it's a graveyard. That's what it is. It's been so so long since I did anything to my nails. This one is sort of interesting here. It took on a different shape. I don't know if you can see. Maybe I'll get closer. Oh, I have a new camera set up and I have a new computer, so I'm a little I'm struggling. You can't really see it, but it has a different shape to it. So I'm gonna try to attempt to get like a square shape. If not, then we're just gonna do our usual. Each nail has its own shape, and just go from there. Some are short, some are long, but it has been a while. So let's do something. Let's do the base coat and filing, and as you can see, there's no polish. And then we'll be back. Okay. Woohoo! Okay, we're back. It is nice and filed, and oh, there's a piece of hair. And base coated. Base coated. Bye base. If I haven't figured out how to zoom in the edit process, then you're gonna see me trying to struggle. Like, please look at my nails. But I don't know what this. I don't even know at this point what to do. Goodness gracious. Let me comb through some things. Oh, I have this new polish I bought. Why did I buy it, you ask? Because you're gonna see why. You know me, I know I love everything. Oh, and look at that. It's Pride Month. It's the what is it? June. It's Pride Month. Happy Pride. Let's do this and keep it simple. So this will be just a review of, oh my goodness, what would this go good with? White, black, I don't know, but we're gonna test out this color, or color, I guess it's a color. We're gonna use it. Ooh, let's have some fun with this. Let's do some different colors. Let's see how many colors I can get. All right, I'll be back. Bam. Okay, just off camera, I have all the colors that I'm gonna use. I am basing it off of this Pride polish called Pride. So as you can see, I don't know if the camera will focus. Let's see. I can probably focus it. Hold on. Oh, that's worse. Oh, that's terrible. All right, forget it. Let me move my camera back. Okay. You can see it from here. It says Pride. Okay, is that... That's not where I want it to be. Where I want to be. That's better. Okay, so I'm going to be using red, Wet n Wild, Grasping at Strawberries. This orange from Shany. It is number 23. This yellow from Shany. It is number 80 or 8. Excuse me, I'm looking at it upside down. Number 8. This green from Sinful Colors. It is Pine Away. This blue. Ooh, look at that vibrant blue. It is called Blue by You. This purple from Sinful Colors as well, called Dream On. Then I'm going to top it off with my favorite hollow Wet n Wild Kaleidoscope. Oh, and then of course this is going to be an accent nails, because I think this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that leaves 4 nails to be accented with the beautiful Pride, which is literally called Pride. Okay, it was in focus. That's better. Perfect. All right, so let's get to it. a sponge. Sponge technique. 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 Hi. I've finished my beautiful rainbow nails. We've got red, green, accent, orange, accent, yellow. It's really hard to see on camera, but geez. It's so bright. It's so bright. But I promise you that's yellow. Living la vida loca. Okay. And then green. Well, I said green, but going in order. Green, accent, blue, accent, and purple. I think it came out absolutely stunning. Need a beautiful thumbnail. So if we can just kind of, if we could just move these all the way out of the way. There we go. Get a little more yeah, that. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Whatever. You get the point. They're beautiful, okay? Look at it. Yes! OMG. They came out super good. I'll be able to post a picture at the end to make it look, so you can see it even up close if I can't. I think I can zoom in on my editing, but hey, you'll see. It came out great. That was all inspired by this one, Pride Sinful Colors, called Pride. I saw it and I was like, oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous, I want it. And I didn't think of a design to do, but now, look at that. I've done one. It's gorgeous. Okay, that's this hand. Kind of not unshot. It kind of is, kind of not. There you go. Well, that's good. Can't see the red though. Oh, there we go. Look at me. I'm a professional. And then there's this one. The green. Off kilter. Not. The purple looks more pink, but it's purple, I promise. You'll see in the pictures. Anyways, this is long enough. Simple, beautiful, easy, stunning. Simply stunning. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye. Doodles. It's been so long. I'm so happy to have them painted. So, bye y'all. This is the other hand. Switch it up.